Are you planning to start a business or you already have an existing one? Is it an online business, a digital business, or an offline business? Is it registered? Well, you need to stay back and listen to what I have to say concerning the registration of your business today. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Chizaram Obano and you're welcome to Business Law with Zara. So today we're going to be discussing the various business structures available to you as someone who wants to register a business. There are various business structures under the Company and Allied Matters Act, and of course, the Company and Allied Matters Act is the law, the legal framework that regulates businesses in Nigeria. So under this Company and Allied Matters Act, there are various business structures. The first one is a business name. The second one is Limited Liability Company. And another one is Incorporated Trustees. This is best suited for people that want to register churches, NGOs, or ministries. Now, let's go back to the first one, business name. A business name gives you a kind of structure with which to run your business. When you register your business as a business name, it is on record at the Corporate Affairs Commission that you have a name. When anybody searches on the portal, they see your business name. And you're also able to open an account with any bank of your choice in Nigeria. So you have a structure of registering your business and running it as a business name has its own pitfalls. In the first instance, the law sees you and that business as one and the same. That means that there is no difference between you and that business, unlike a limited liability company, which I'm going to discuss about much later. So you need to sit back and keep watching this video so that you'll see this very important facts that I'm going to be talking about. Now, back to the business name. Under the business name, you cannot enter into a contract in the name of your business. Yes. So when you want to enter into a contract, you enter into that contract in your personal capacity. Again, if the business name incurs any debt, your personal properties will be attached to pay that loan or to your creditors. So your personal properties will be attached to pay your creditors. These are some of the pitfalls of running your business under your business name. And of course, a lot of investors would not want to deal with it because they feel that you don't have the capacity to enter into some certain kinds of businesses. Now, let's go to limited liability company. Under a limited liability company, you have one-man company. You also have another category where you can have 2 to 50 directors. But running your business as a one-man company, you still have all the legal protection afforded under the law. In the first place, you can sue anyone in the name of the business, and you can also be sued in the name of your business. You can open a company account. Because you have a larger share capital, organizations are willing to do business with you because they feel that they have capacity. And of course, under a limited liability company, you enjoy all the full protection accorded under the law. You and your business are not seen as one and the same. You're a separate person while your business is a separate person. So if your business is owing anyone, owing creditors, your personal properties will not be attached to pay the debt of the business. It is only the properties that have been acquired by the business that will be attached to pay the creditors of the business. And of course, I failed to mention that when you're running your business under a business name, you can go as an individual proprietor or you can have other partners to run the business. And all these are recognized under the law. Now, let's go to incorporated trustees. Do you want to run an NGO? That's a non-governmental organization. Do you want to run a church? Do you want to run even a ministry? Then you also need to have your business registered. Let me tell you one story. I know someone that has a church in a particular town in Nigeria, and he didn't have it registered, and he went to another town, a different town altogether. He found somebody else using the same name of his ministry in that city. He was enraged and he came and told me, can you imagine, I got this name as a revelation from God and somebody has the effrontery to use it. I simply told him that person has a better right to that name because he registered it before you. So whatever name that you got, whether it's by inspiration or by revelation, ensure that you register it under incorporated trustees, because if you don't, somebody else will use that name and the person will have a better right to that name. I am sure that all these processes that I have listed seems daunting to you. Well, it isn't, because it is your business lawyer that helps you do all of that. All you need to do is to provide all the information that they need. For instance, the name of the business. You're supposed to provide two names, which will go through a name search, and one will be approved for you. If you're running a business name that you want to register as a sole proprietor, or you have partners, or a limited liability company, one-man company, or you have a lot of shareholders, or is it an incorporated trustees where you have a number of trustees, all you need to do is to submit all this information to your lawyer, and your business, your ministry, NGO, or church is registered. Now, in this channel, we're going to be talking about everything business from inception and how the business will be run along the way. So you have to stay glued to this channel if you want to get information and get educated on how to run a successful business and how not to get into trouble legally in Nigeria. So you keep watching this channel to get all of that information. That is what this channel is all about. And if you've learned anything from what we have said today, I would like you to drop a comment you like and also share with your friends so that everybody can learn. So this is Dr. Chizaram Obana signing out today. See you in our next episode.